to do a walk around of our 2016 Jayco Journey. So we're just going to show you how we set it up, a little bit about what it's all about, and how easy it is to actually set up once you get to camp. Anyway, here's hubby.
Hi.
Hi. So we've just pulled up. He's just put the legs down. We won't show you that because that's basic stuff when it comes to setting up a van. So he's just going to set up the awning. So this is all that's involved with setting it up. It's really quite easy. It takes not even 5 minutes to do. That's if you can find the keys.
Got the keys. I've got sets of keys everywhere.
Yes, you do.
Comes with 2 sets of keys.
Yes, yes. So we just hook the door up before you actually put the Poptop up. You've got to just pull the awning out. So we just undo these 4 latches.
Well, I'm not tall.
No, you're not.
I've got ducks to do.
So just go inside. Oops, fridge is opened. It just pushes up quite easily.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. There you go. So that's it there. Just the 2 ends either side. I don't think it matters what side you put up first, does it? No.
Whichever side you get to first.
Yep.
Pretty much.
And then you come out and finish putting your awning up. So you can do the awning 2 ways. You can either leave it attached to the caravan, or you can actually unattach it and put it down there. It just depends what you want. But for a quick trip, quick overnight, just leave it attached. We hang our towels over the railing. Great towel rack. So, and that's it, basically. We have side walls. So he just wraps that up because you've got to have that to pull your awning in and out. Tucks it in. We usually have a little thing called a navigator buddy strap holder, but he's left that at home. So yeah, you just tension the 2 ends. Towel holder, as they call it. And that's it. I mean, that's it. That's how quick it was. It's 5 minutes, not even that. You reckon? 5 minutes?
Yep. Well, probably 4 if you can find the keys.
That's it. So yeah, it's, and I mean, if you want to get into it, you've got these that open up. That's your, let some air through the van. They're really great. And the boot for all the storage. We have 2 9-kilo gas bottles. They're the walls that.
Yes, that's.
Do you want to show?
Yes, you want me to connect that up now?
We'll just put the wall on, show you if you wanted that extra little bit of privacy.
Or
yep.
shade.
Or shade. We have 2 extra walls, and they go on the awning. So on the awning here you got your LED lights for night time. It's not night, so I can't actually show you. But yeah, basically this is it. We have a picnic table here, which we put drinks, and I don't cook or put a barbecue on there like most people do, because I don't want anything getting on the side of the van. So we have a separate table for our barbecue. So yeah, that's all it does. It just slips in there like that. Took in 2 seconds. And when we're at caravan parks, we've been at some caravan parks where we've had vans like right beside us. So there you go. Couple of extra minutes and you got privacy plus shade. I think when we've stayed down the Gold Coast, the afternoon sun's been coming in from that way. And if we're sitting under the awning, it's definitely nice and shady. So yeah, I mean, that's it. That's just a quick run over, but that's the setup.
And the side one?
And we do have a side one too, which has been handy when we've been cooking on the Weber and the weather turns. So this one just goes on the end, or you can put it on the front. It just depends where you want it. We have had people camped right behind us, like right on top of us at some stage. So we've just put the wall up for a little bit of privacy. Also, it helps. We noticed when it was raining, it doesn't stop all of the rain, but it does stop if it's really, I mean, if it's really, really bad, you're going to go inside the van, but yeah, it's... Yeah, I mean, this is just a rough look at, I mean, you set it up a little bit better, but yeah, just a rough idea on... But here's all the other stuff that's the boring stuff, I guess you call it. Just table, boot, gas, heater, filler, everything's locked, of course. There is a power outlet over here for your, when you're 240. That's the back of the fridge. Toilet cassette, we all know what that does. Spare wheel. Anyway, there you go. Easy. Okay. So I'll just take you inside and we'll have a look at the inside. So we usually have extra step here. So this inside is we have microwave. I think the fridge is 150, is that right? 150 litre. It really is, it's big. I mean, we've never had a problem fitting anything in. And freezer, it's always kept my meat and ice cream cold. Runs off 240, the solar, and gas. So you've got it's a three-way fridge. So yeah, you got heaps of cupboard space. I have had problems filling this up, and I take a lot of stuff when I camp. So big, we put all our clothes in here. When we've got clothes, and you've got big drawers down here. It's got excellent storage. Excellent.
Under the bed.
And then we've got under the beds. Heaps of storage. We put all our shoes. You've got little drawers.
Speakers.
This side has
It's the hot water.
it's the hot water.
Also
and
has the towing management system there.
system there, yeah.
Yes.
The hot water system over there.
Yes. Battery.
The battery, because we have solar.
I think it's 160 watt solar panel.
Yes,
Top.
160 watt on top, so we can go off grid.
Yes.
Um,
Which will run the lights. And
the lights, yeah,
Yeah,
and
pretty
then
much.
everything else you got to run off gas.
Yeah, so the fridge runs off gas.
Yeah, you put your
I
fridge
think
on
you
gas.
can run it off the battery, but it won't last. Won't last that long.
Yeah.
So gas is the go for there, unless
Yeah.
you get more solar panels.
Yeah, well, you got 2 9-kilo gas bottles, so it runs. We've been off grid and we've had no problems. Our showers, and our cooking, but I don't cook in here. I use my Weber. We've got TV. Got the gas stop. As I said, I don't cook inside. I'm an outside cooker. Sink. And you've got 2 lots of lights inside. You've got the big ones.
Which you can separate by.
Yep, you can separate.
Each one can either be off
turned
or
off.
on.
Yeah.
So
we actually only used these in the ensuite, didn't we? So yeah, air conditioning unit. We've had no problem whatsoever with that. It's been hot or cold. We've had it running in the heat and in the cold weather. And this is nice and frosty in here in the summertime. It's good. Great. It's got block out PVC and stuff.
And the other lights?
And then the other lights are LED. I don't know if you can see them because of the... that's daytime. But yeah, they're up there.
They run the length of the van.
Yeah, and I mean, this is all can run off-grid. It's not a problem. So we've got the system here. We've got the Fusion Bluetooth system. The speakers inside and out. It's down there.
Inside and out, yep.
And outside. The air conditioning unit. This is the power.
Yes, it shows you two tanks.
2 tanks.
Your water levels and then your batteries on the end.
Battery, that's the battery.
Yes.
So our battery's full. Our tanks are empty at the moment. But yeah. It's quite good. Oh, this is your turn your battery on and off.
Yes,
and then this is for your hot water service. So what you do is turn when you want to have a shower, you flick your hot water system on.
10 minutes.
10 minutes and you beautiful shower.
That will heat up approximately about 20 litres of water.
Which gives us both a shower.
Yes. And then if you've got more people that want to shower, you'll just have to...
10 minutes and it just keeps reheating. So it's great. We've never had a cold shower. Ensuite, here's toilet. We all know what that does. Then you've got your basin and all your cupboards. And in here is the shower recess, nice and roomy.
We normally put that on the floor.
Yeah, we put that on the floor for travel. So yeah, look, it's great. You won't ever, and I've got that there for shampoo, conditioner, so you don't have bottles throwing around all over the place. It's been a great addition actually. But yes, we travel with our shower head down on the ground because if it sits up here, it will fall. So it's common sense. Vent and fan. It's not working because it's not plugged in. But anyway, yeah, very good. And there is a thing here at some stage where you could, if you washed your underwear and you were travelling, you can put a rod or something in there or a piece. I think it had a string thing at some stage. But anyway, so that's the shower. Always handy to have your own facilities. So it's been a great little van. It is a great little van for both of us. Plenty of space to sit here for 3 people. We've had our daughter come stay with us. She slept in a tent or a swag. But yeah, it's great.
Block-out blinds and midgie-proof screens.
Yes.
Block-out blinds are great. It's fantastic.
Yes, it's
sleeping in, it's
dark, very dark.
Dark as.
So that's it. That's our little 17-foot
17
Poptop.
I think
17 and a half, yeah.
Thereabouts.
But it's great to tow, lightweight. I think what is it? The ATM, the empty weight. What's the empty weight? Hang on, we will go and have a look. So we're just going to have a look here at the compliance plate.
Okay, so the tare weight is 1741.
Yep.
The GTM is 2115 and the ATM is 2216.
Okay.
Axle group load capacity 2900.
So fully loaded, it's 22, which is what any ute or SUV can tow. Twin cab.
Twin cabs, yep. Yeah. We've had no trouble towing with the Colorado.
We got the Colorado, as you know, and we've had no problems towing it whatsoever. as I said before, you can go off grid in this van. It's got 160 watts of solar, which will power your lights. We've got the AGM battery, 120 amp AGM battery. And as for tanks, I think there's two 80 litre tanks on board. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, we've never ran out of water.
Pretty sure they're 80 litres. Yep.
Yeah, we've never ran out of water, so yeah. And out here we've got speakers, got the outdoor speakers which we use. We've got two outlets for power. If you want to plug your TV in, that's another thing you could use for there. We've got the TV socket, and there's also a 12 volt.
Yep.
So anyway, it just locks up. We love it. We've had no problems with it. It's been a really great little van.